starting lineup of the Zamboanga Master Sardines. Not really the most conventional. But you could see, Coach, talagang nag-increase na rin talaga yung kumpiyansa ni Joey Barcuma going for those 3-point shots as this season went along as Alfred
Pero mukhang hinahanap niya ngayong gabi.
He said, Coach Louie, ano po ba yung sinasabi niya? And here's Zamboanga with another chance to score.
Good pass.
No look pass. JV Marcelino locating J-Boy Solis.
If a veteran coach, that very reason why he called for this early timeout.
Play of the game brought to you by Suzuki. That's JV Marcelino finding
Hanggang today dahil naniniwala si Coach Louie that last game, he felt that Joseph was so focused on proving that he is also effective on defense that he lost his of young but eager to constantly improve and become the best two-way player he can be. Kaya he's starting on the bench today para maka-observe kung saan
To all things. Not just on yung galing ng mga players nila. It's the ego also kasi bababa lahat.
his activity here has been tremendous at the start of the game. And Joey Barcuma, though, his activity has been tremendous for the entire season for the Zamboanga Masters. Their Sardines will be facing the Pasay Voyagers after this. Sorry.
Kasi itong San Juan Knight, meron pang may room pa to eh. Even if they lost that game.
For Renzo in this Zamboanga squad. Jerome Santos breaking away from the defense. He was all alone.
Yeah, and that's the
Jerome Santos, who has had a remarkable performance here in the first quarter. Abra moves the ball around. They go to Sedorifa. Corner pocket three is good.
Run itong Abra Weavers. It's really kung paano finacilitate ni Kiano Caballero.
Many think that,
Kung kailangan pituhan na, pipituhan na nila yan.
Galanza stop and pop. That is pure nylon para kay Bong Galanza. Still with the basketball. Subido out to Jason. Apolonio for three. Bullseye!
Ang pagkakamali kasi
Clemente directing traffic here for the Weavers. A little hesitation. Puts it up and in off the back para kay JLC John Lloyd Clemente.
Handling sa pick and roll. It's a forced baseline itong Zamboanga.
Playing for the Olivares College Sea Lions. Markey, free for three. Yes, sir.
Activity of Batino down low. Napwersang humelp si Jason Apolonio eh. Kaya ang layo
Still being at less than 100% in terms of game condition. That man has been 100% for quite some time now.
Because they keep sealing, they keep asking for the ball down low. Yung help side, nasasak in eh.
Joey Barcuma trying to keep Zamboanga within striking distance. That's
talagang nakascatter sa kanila. Meron dapat i-contribute si Barcuma, may i-contribute dapat si JV.
Tapos 0.3 points.
And it's not easy.
What a pass. Sumang delivering that pass to JLC inside.
Pero sila si Sudorifa, ayan yung mga kailangan mong players sa ganitong laban.
Tonton Bringas. Quick feed to the cutting John Lloyd Clemente.
Need to see where John Lloyd Clemente is getting his points because he's getting a lot out of those. Pero it's still not enough. This guy needs to deliver. Kaya yung si Bong Galanza.
Right on cue, Galanza able to kiss it off the glass. But here, Tonton Bringas was able to get a lot of energy on that fake. So did Markey on those two. Hindi kan pa matawagan ang delay of the game. Ito Master Sardines, and in the first possession of the third quarter, right away, they go to Chito Jaime. Almost 3 minutes gone by here in the third frame. Galanza gets his high screen from Santos. Jaime looking down low to Andy. Santos will convert.
Good cover. But ang pinaka-season that Kiano Caballero played for the Pampanga organization, correct?
For the Pasay Voyagers, Coach.
Yeah, this season he started with Pasay, but last year he was playing for Zamboanga.
Emergency feed, JLC off to the left. Comboy at the right place at the right time.
To get those offensive rebounds.
Here in this game, they may not be shooting that well from the field, but the number of possessions that they've been able to generate from those offensive rebounds. Joey Barcuma with a swipe. Barcuma leaves it for Galanza. Fly by on Clemente. Bong Galanza from the outside. Zamboanga.
Pero grabe rin, ang ganda talaga na itinatakbo ng team na yon.
Barcuma, scoop shot is good.
Ito talaga, mabilis talaga tumakbo to. Oo.
Apolonio, the extra pass. Mahari will not settle for the outside shot. He goes hard and gets it up over Alfred Batino.
Oo, ang nice decision.
Gets it to the corner. Caballero from the outside, way off the mark. Look at Alfred Batino. Work tooth and nail inside the paint, getting it to the much smaller Keanu Caballero for those two.
At ang nagawa na naman ni JLC.
Mahari, this time he decides to take it from the outside. That's with the defense of Cañete all over him. Gabaini, one-hander, somehow, someway. Ang malala, 2 free throws pa ang may bibigay kay Mike Cañete dahil matagal na nga ang penalty sa quarter na ito ang Zamboanga. Receives it on top. Quickly, he dribbles to the right side. Backdoor to Keanu Caballero. Hang time and a 2.
And then talking about impact, I think that guy has ito sa pinakamahabang nilaro in this game.
That's right, Coach. He's already up to almost 21 minutes in this one, as you saw that. Another offensive rebound for the Weavers. They've dominated the glass in this game.
There you go.
Sedorifa knocks it down from the great beyond.
And you know, a big shot. Ito yung hinahanap ko coming from JV Marcelino.
This was the big shot that Coach Louie mentioned galing kay Joe. Inverted din yung naging resulta ng tira niya doon. Numbers for Zamboanga. Galanza hangs and scores.
Great control there coming from
Comboy, munti ka na madulas ng tuluyan. Batino, quick face-up. Banging bodies against J-Boy Solis. Trying to lose Barcuma is Zeno Comboy. Fadeaway jumper. Pretty move a la Kobe Bryant para dito kay Wendelino Comboy.
Ito yung nakita nating last possession na ginawa ni Comboy versus the smaller Barcuma.
Look at that technique and the basket right there. All
Police.
And what I'm feeling about this game right now, Coach, is it's as if either team has a huge advantage kasi parang ang tagal talaga ng momentum. John Mahari and ito si Renzo Subido. Look at Alfred Batino. His impact all game long. Batino switches on Renzo. Gabaini gets the basket plus the foul.
Yeah. That's why I could have been everything's being covered. And because of that, na-force si Batino na mag-show ng konti kay Renzo's forced by Bong Galanza.
Galanza, short jumper is also short. Look at John Mahari coming out of nowhere. Gabaini tips it in for 2 more points. Was leaking out. Trouble in the backcourt for the Abra Weavers. Comboy steps on the side. Oh, just the quality of basketball from these two teams. Top notch. Galanza to trigger in. The lob inside. Gabaini was bothered by Batino. And yep, between Zamboanga and Abra. Abi Palanya pa rin po kasama ni Coach Louie Gonzalez and Miss Gianna Llanes. This is just the second game of your Saturday triple header here at the Quezon Convention Center. We still have the Huskers facing the... talagang may sagot lang para sa kahit anong atake itong parehong kupunan.
Totoo yan. And ang pinakamaganda dito.
Has it. Shot clock winding down. Somebody's got to make a decision. Markey. 20-footer, no good. Alfred Batino. Again, another offensive rebound. Markey this time from the outside. He will not miss.
Like with this one, Joseph Gabaine with 4 fouls already.
And finally, a basket there para kay Renzo Subido. Defense.
Oh, it's really the hustle nitong Zamboanga, and especially that guy.
A little hesitation right there. Puts it on the deck. feeds it to his big man. That's 2 points more.
The defensive energy na dinadala niya.
Clemente picks up loose change and turns it into gold.
Oo.
We now enter what could be the final 2 minutes of this one, brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Basta ending, GameX, Renzo Sobido. My goodness, big time performer in the clutch. You saw it happen when he was still wearing the gold and white. Biney will not force the issue. There's still time on their 24. Galanza in and out, goes all the way to the rack, finishes high off the glass. Ken Zamboanga extend their winning run to 3. This could be the dagger. Yes, sir. JV Marcelino hits it. The lead for Zamboanga is the coffin delivered by JV Marcelino. Markey just taking his time here against Gabaini. Goes hard to the rack. And still able to get the 2 points. At time.
Abra do here is, ang hirap eh. It will be a nightmare for you that you thought that the game is in the bag already.
Barcuma will dribble this one out. It has been a blockbuster matchup between Abra and